Kapag parang 8 na naman sa bootcamp, sana hindi na ganito mamaya.
Oo nga, nakadiet ka pa. Parang di bagay. Malay mo, may nangyaring magic overnight. Di ba? Tumagal Pasko. Uy, ano to? Ford, bago ba ito aircon natin?
Hello po.
Good afternoon, team. Surprise! By the way, I am Mila Del Guzman, a Sales and Technical Associate from PBS Air Conditioning Services. We've just finished installing Daikin air conditioners and air purifiers for your bootcamp.
Oh! So, karabol nito, Ma'am Mila. Totoo ha, sakong-sakto sa init kahapon.
We know how important it is for athletes like you to stay focused and comfortable during practice. That's why we've installed Daikin D-Smart Split Type Inverter aircons, energy efficient and super quiet, and perfect for gaming.
Grabe ma'am, hindi na kami komportable. Tipid to sa kuryente. Well, tipid daw. Di ba ma'am?
Exactly. Plus, we also set up Daikin air purifiers. Nakakatulong itong ma-maintain ang cleanliness at freshness ng hangin sa loob ng inyong bootcamp so that you can perform on your very best every day.
Ito po ma'am, paano gamitin ito? May tricks po pa para mas ma-maximize namin ang paggamit ng aircon.
Oo nga po.
Actually, sir, napakadali lang po. Pwede niyo po gamitin yung econo mode para po sulit siya sa practice hours niyo. And then, pwede niyo rin po gamitin itong timer para po automatic mag-off ang unit after po ng training niyo po.
Ayos ma'am, ang galing talaga ni Daikin. Perfect na perfect sa bootcamp namin. Thank you, Ma'am Mila.
Thank you po. Big thanks to Daikin for leveling up our bootcamp experience. Sobrang cool, literal and figurative.
Thank you, Ma'am Mela, for explaining everything and making sure we're comfortable. Para sa mga katulad namin na laging on the go, this setup is the real MVP.